Welcome to the Energy for Life podcast, helping busy women reclaim their energy, innate power, and self-worth. Here is your host, Corona Brady.
Hello and welcome back. Welcome to episode 29 of the Energy for Life podcast show, and I am your host, Corona Brady. I've been rolling out lots of episodes, which you would have noticed of late, thanks to my Sudarshan Kriya practice, which is bringing me, I have to say, a huge new wave of creative energy of late. I have so many ideas coming to me of late, and perhaps my experience of this Kriya will be an episode for one day soon. Today I want to talk to you about, are you awake? I talk to so many women daily who are asleep. Now, what does that mean? Not only are they sleeping at night time, but they are actually moving through their day asleep. They feel like they're on a treadmill. What do I mean by that? Well, they kind of feel robotic. They get up, often dragging their weary bodies out of bed, and it's like they are living each day on automatic pilot. So they get up, they go to work, they come home, they go to bed, and they do that all over again and again and again, and so on. Many of these women live for their weekends. They live for Fridays. And of course, they dread the beginning of a new week, Monday morning. They're not present. They're stuck in their minds. Their minds are incredibly busy, and they have no tools, no resources for calming and settling the mind. So they analyze the past, what this person said, and that look that this person gave them, etc. And they're constantly future tripping. They spend their whole day in their heads. They're so disconnected from themselves, and they have no sacred rituals or routines built into their day. If you are living each day with a lack of presence, it's likely that you're moving through your life asleep. To be present and to be walking through life with presence, meaning that you're awake, means that you are fully aware, you are fully conscious and alert in the present waking moment. You put all of your focus and your awareness on what you are doing in each present moment. You notice and observe when the mind gets distracted, and you're also able to guide it back through the breath or sensations that you might be feeling in your body. You see and you notice all the beauty around you. You're grateful for your gift of life, and you're able to find the many moments of gratitude in every single day. So you stop dwelling on the past. You make peace with your past and the people from your past. You choose not to let your past build your identity for the future. So you accept life as it is and all of its challenges, and it's that acceptance that creates true freedom in your life. So begin small and be inspired to truly show up for yourself. Create a morning ritual and routine. Choose to be different and get out of bed early and start your day on a positive note. Spend time with yourself in the early morning. Connect with your soul. Set an intention for the day. So rather than getting stuck in a fear-based, unhappy, dissatisfied mind, you awaken to all of your senses. You start to challenge the thoughts that arise, to see what is actually true, and you analyze the way that you also might be taking things for granted. When you're asleep, you are reacting instead of responding. This is where you spend your whole life reacting to others and the events around you. The truth is that many of us react unconsciously, and we do that from a space of deep fear and insecurity that resides within. Now, when you choose to respond, you pause, you reflect, you choose in that moment, based off your values, what the best course of action is. There's always going to be external stuff around us poking and provoking us, but when we choose to respond instead of react, this is living an awake life. So today, I encourage you to look for the moments where there's a delicious small pause. Perhaps it's in the elevator en route to work or lunch, or perhaps it's when your car stops at a red light, or perhaps it's waiting in a queue in the supermarket or at the local coffee shop. As you are willing to just simply be in that moment with all that is, with no judgment, just acceptance. There's a wonderful mantra that you can use, and it's one that I use very often throughout my day, and it's Sat Nam. This is a mantra we use a lot in Kundalini Yoga. It means truth is my name, truth is my essence, truth is my being. By vibrating this mantra, it connects you to the truth of your being. You can use this mantra in any moment, even when you're being triggered. It can help bring a busy, turbulent mind back to a state of presence. So I ask you today, what choices are you choosing to make every day? Are you asleep, letting your habits run havoc? Or are you awake to the moments of your everyday life? Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you found this invaluable. And please, I ask a huge favor. I really have a mission to get this podcast show to as many women as possible. And it would mean a lot to me. It would mean so much to me if you could please give us a rating in the iTunes store and leave a review so that when other women are browsing, that they know that this is a good podcast show and I get it to the right women that actually need